Hi guys, I've planted garlic in October of last year in two raised beds, both 4x4. Bed on the left has Spanish Roja hardneck variety, which grows well in northern colder climates, and bed on the right has elephant garlic, 20 cloves. So it's been almost 4 months since I've covered them up with hay to protect them from harsh winter we have here. Today in this video I'm gonna take a quick peek what's going on by removing the hay. "29 cloves out of 42 I planted have germinated. For elephant garlic, 19 cloves out of 20 have germinated, much higher germination rate than Spanish Roja variety. I will use this opportunity to fertilize both beds. I'm going to be adding bone meal and chicken manure to both of these beds.